Hey everybody, it's CJ. I just got done with the OBS custom shop. Here's the trucks that I put in there. I put a tractor in there. That's to plow snow. But I know it's not, I don't have snow, but I just thought I'd put it in there. And over here we have 2 grain carts for working on the farm. And then we have all our tractors, some of them right here, as you can see. So this is a little shed for these tractors over here. And then over here we have a farm truck, a farm service truck. We have a tow truck to haul some cars or trucks that are broken down and need to come to the shop where we can fix them. Then we have a flatbed trailer to haul trucks or tractors around. And we also have a horse carrier trailer. So yeah, we also have a garage for them too. So yeah, that's all of the trucks and tractors I put in the OBS custom shop. I hope you guys like it and have a good night.